Tutorial: Scoring Model Interface Overview. This tutorial will give an overview of the scoring model interface in the Activity Wizard. The scoring model provides complete control over constructing activity tasks and provides feedback based upon the evidence of the proficiencies. To begin, first launch the Activity Wizard. Click on the Answer Network and then click on the Scoring Model tab. This table lists the work product features. This table lists the scoring rules. These buttons allow you to add, remove, edit, and move the work product features and the scoring rules up or down in the table. These buttons allow you to add, remove, edit, and move the work product features and scoring rules up and down in the table. The name of the work product feature is entered here. Only alphanumeric characters are allowed. It will be used as a reference in the scoring rules. The description field is used to remind yourself and others what this work product feature is used for. This is where the expression is entered, which will determine the value of the work product feature. All of the available nodes in the assessment tree from the Answer Network are listed here. This checkbox limits the work product feature to only use the user's network assessment tree, which will enable better context help output. If you want to enable scriptable expressions, uncheck this option. This combo box allows you to select the type of scoring rule. The choices include primary observable, compound observable, proficiency estimate, and reporting variable. Choosing the appropriate scoring rule will help keep yourself and others organized. The name of the scoring rule goes here. Like the work product feature, a description is used to remind yourself and others what the scoring rule is used for. Expressions can be any valid EMCA script syntax. Most of the time, a conditional if is all that is needed, but not required. Replace the content with other variable names and conditions. This ends the Scoring Model Interface Overview tutorial.